ఒకసారి క్లోజ్ చేయి. Let us discuss the definition of the moment generating function. The moment generating function can be denoted by mx of t. That is nothing but the moment generating function is a tool. It can be calculated for higher moments. When we are using, where we are using means for higher moments calculation, we are using the moment generating function. The moment generating function can be defined in two types of the random variables. That is, mx of t is defined in the discrete random variable capital X and continuous random variable capital X. It can be defined as the expectation of e power tx. Expectation of the exponential function is the moment of that variable t. It can be defined as summation of e power tx p of x. This is for discrete random variable, the same as integral minus infinity to infinity e power tx fx of x for continuous random variable. We know that here p of x is the respective probabilities of the variable small x. Observations here, fx of x is the probability density function. It is denoted by the in general effect f of x, small f of x. But here we can calculate the probability density function at continuous random variable capital X is, it is denoted by the fx of x. Here the moment generating function can be denoted by mx of t. It can be defined by expectation of the exponential. This can be defined in the two forms. One is the discrete random variable form is summation e power tx p of x, and for continuous random variable integration minus infinity to infinity e power tx fx of x. Here we know that the expectation of any function that can be expressed as it is the expansion of 1 plus tx by 1 factorial plus tx whole square by 2 factorial plus so on plus tx whole power r by r factorial plus so on. Then this exponential expansion form can be applied in the expectation. Then we are getting expectation of e power tx is equal to 1 plus, here t by 1 factorial is a constant, then expectation of x plus t square by 2 factorial into expectation of x square plus so on t power r by r factorial expectation of x power r plus so on. In this we can take expectation of x is the first moment, first raw moment or first moment, that is mu1 dash. Expectation of x square is the second moment. Expectation of x cube is the third moment. It is the, we can taking as on origin. In the origin means that is the raw moments. The raw moments can be denoted by the mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, and expectation of x power r is mu r dash. Here mu r dash means this is taking as rth moment for either discrete random variable or continuous random variable. This is the definition of the moment generating function. In this, the moment generating function can be taking about origin or about x value, that is nothing but x equal to a. If we can take x equal to a, then we can replace with x is replaced with x minus a. Origin means x minus 0 is x only. About x equal to a means we can take x minus a is the exponential ratio. Okay, in the same way we can expand by the expansion of the exponential. Here how to find out the rth moment of the generating function, that is nothing but mu r dash, that is the raw moment. In this the rth moment can be taking as, that is mu r dash is equal to r times differentiation with respect to t of the moment generating function. Then we are getting the rth moment of the, that is rth raw moment. Okay, these are the basic definitions in the moment generating function. If we can take in the discrete random variable, we can take the summation. In the continuous random variable, we can take the integration. Now we are going to discuss with the definitions how to define and how to write. Here moment generating function, it is a tool used to calculate the higher moments. The general moment generating function, in general the moment generating function of random variable capital X about the origin whose probability density function is fx of x is given by, origin means m naught of t, about the density function either it is mx of t equal to expectation of e power tx. It is the definition of the generating function that can be defined as, if x is a discrete random variable, then we can take the summation of e power ix p of x. If x is continuous random variable, then we can take integration minus infinity to infinity e power ix fx of x. Here for continuous we can take the density function. If it is discrete random variable, we can take the probability function. Okay. Next, here mx of t is used to generate moments, that is r1, mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash. We can generate the moments in this function. Then it is known as moment generating function. What is that? Mx of t is used to generate the moments, then the function is said to be the moment generating function. Here how to generate the function means we can take mx of t to use to generate the moments means by the definition of the moment generating function, that is expectation of exponential of ratio, that is e ratio tx. Here x is the random variable, t is the another variable. Here e ratio tx equal to 1 plus expansion. We know that e power x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so on, how it is. Then we can expand. We can take in this the rth moment also, that is tx whole power r by r factorial plus so on. We can expand that one taking the expectation. In the expectation we know that e of 1 is equal to 1 only. Then t constant t by 1 factorial, then we can write outside expectation of x plus t square by 2 factorial. Expectation of x square t cube by 3 factorial. Expectation of x cube plus so on t power r by r factorial. Expectation of x power r plus so on. In this we can take the expectation of x is equal to the first raw moment mu1 dash, expectation of x square equal to second raw moment so on, expectation of x power r equal to rth raw moment about the origin. Raw moment means we can take the moment about origin. So here r dash is the rth moment of x about the origin. So here we can take E of expectation of x power r equal to mu r dash is the coefficient of t power r by r factorial in the expansion of mx of t. So then mx of t generates the moments, then it is called as the generating function, moment generating function. When the function is used to generate the moments, then we can call as that function is said to be the moment generating function. Here in the moment generating function, how to find out the rth moment means we can take the differentiation of the moment generating function mx of t with respect to t variable up to r times, then substitute t equal to 0, then we are getting the rth moment about origin. So here the special notes in discrete continuous, how the moment generating functions are defined. In the note 1, the moment generating function of discrete random variable capital X about the point x equal to a is defined as the expected value of e ratio t into x minus a. It is denoted by m suffix a of t, ma of t. That is, we can take a point x equal to a means here we are taking a. When we can take origin means x equal to 0, then that is denoted by m naught of t. Just you can take, that is nothing but moment generating function at origin, moment generating function about a, x equal to a. That is expectation of e ratio t into x minus a. Again we can expand that one. Here the rth moment is equal to expectation of x minus a whole power r. It is the rth moment about x equal to a. Here we can expand. Next, the second note, it is about the continuous random variable. Here in the continuous random variable means the related function is the probability density function fx of t. In that the moment generating function of this continuous probability distribution about x equal to a means that is denoted by ma of t or mx of t. About a means integration minus infinity to infinity e ratio t into x minus a. F of x dx. Here e ratio tx into e ratio minus at. This is a constant, we can take right outside, e ratio minus at integral minus infinity to infinity e ratio tx f of x dx. So by the definition of the integration minus infinity to infinity e ratio tx f of x dx is the moment at origin, about origin. So m naught of t or mx of t. So here moment generating function about a, about x equal to a, the value, the coefficient is e ratio minus at. These are the basic definitions in the different variables, either it is continuous or in discrete random variables. Just the definitions forms are same, but the notation is different. In general, from the starting onwards, we can discuss in the discrete random variable means we are taking the summation. In the continuous random variable means we can take the integration. Why? Because in the continuous each and every decimal value is calculated. But in the discrete we can take only integral values. In that change only we can take the same definition. Condition is same, but the notation is we can take the integration and summation. Here the important definition, just inequality, that is Chebyshev's inequality. When we are discussed in the probability and statistics, related in the random variable means it is the Chebyshev inequality. Here in the definition only we call as inequality. Inequality means that is either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Then the relation is there in between of the two functions, then that is the inequality. Here Chebyshev means this inequality can be taken in the continuous random variable small x with the mean mu and variance sigma square. Then for any real constant k, how the inequality relation is there in the Chebyshev means probability of modulus x minus mu is less than or equal to k sigma, that is nothing but sigma square is the variance and sigma is the standard deviation, is greater than or equal to 1 minus k square. This is the Chebyshev inequality. If they ask the relation about the Chebyshev inequality means you should remember this relation and applying that, is it satisfies or not. This is a very important topic. If in the examination they will ask the definition of the moment generating function and how to expand and how to find out the earth movement and in two variables, that is nothing but in discrete and a continuous, how we can define. That is the important thing.